Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the software update which I got recently in the Realme 5S device. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel guys. I will be posting a lot of interesting and tips and tricks videos. So do check the links in description for the playlist of in detail reviews about the smartphones. So I've gathered all the reviews about each and every phone and categorized into each and every playlist of the smartphones, as you can see here. So you can find all the smartphones playlist in the description below. So each contain a lot of videos and a lot of different tests and comparison which I did on each device. So similarly, same thing I have done with the Realme 5S as well. So there is a playlist for the Realme 5S. Feel free to go to the playlist and choose the video whatever you want to know about this device. So let me show you exactly what variant I am using right now in this video. As you can see, this is a model. So 4GB and 64GB variant. So recently, as soon as I bought my mobile, I received the software update in this Realme 5S device. So which has added pretty much a little bit of features, but out of that, few are very interesting. So the first feature is that it has a little bit of Android security patch which has got in November. So that's the thing. And second, regarding the camera, so where the autofocus got fixed and right in the portrait mode, I never tested the camera feature, so I'm not aware of that. So third option is a notification bar, which there is a dark mode separately toggle which got installed right now in the notification bar. So as you can see here, so if you cannot find the dark mode or notification toggle here, you need to click all the dots icon there. So from bottom you need to drag and drop the dark mode over there. So in this way you can enable the dark mode in the Realme 5S device. So before we used to go to the settings and every time we need to change the dark mode, but right now you got the direct toggle as well in the notification. That's a very good thing in this update. And next is a few fixed with the headphone jack when it's connected to the Realme 5S device, and I did not have any this kind of issue, but maybe for the few devices. But overall, these are quick update review on the Realme 5S device. So similarly, I'll be doing a lot of interesting videos and a lot of comparison videos with the other smartphones. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel guys. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.